Okay, so our next one is for Mindy Beverly. It's her Indian bridal. So I know we chatted about on our storyboards how important it is to have a really defined part. I would practice on each other if you could. The mannequins are a little hard to get that super defined part. I worked off of a horseshoe section again, similar to the pompadour here, and kind of pin that out of the way. Then I did a baby horseshoe section through the top here to get this first like little poof. Ponytailed it and twisted it forward. Brought it back and spread it, because when you do that, when you twist it, you'll kind of create that little rounded poof we got going on there. Then for the back, I ponytailed the sides, so these were all still hanging out. Brought it back, ponytailed it, did another poof, and separated it again. Then I brought the sides in, wrapped around, filled in the gap in between the two. So this one wrapped to this side, this one wrapped to that side. I'm going to show you very quickly. I'm going to deconstruct it so that way you can kind of see how I did it. It didn't take very long. I would say probably 10 minutes. But the hair was prepped and we worked off the sections. So just keep that in mind. If we work in sections, it's going to go a lot quicker, especially because the hair was prepped, again, with anti-gravity, back kind of sandblasting the hair with the blow dryer, and then using the large curling iron to get some texture into the hair. So if you can see, this was my sections for the bangs. So all this created that bottom pony. Let's take this out really quick and kind of show you how it looked previous to us doing this twist. When you know, everybody's hair is going to be a little bit different lengths, different textures. I would say for the Indian and Asian fusion, we probably want as smooth texture as we can get, just so that we're able to you know, kind of give that influence of what we're going for. So here's the pony. Once again, the sides are up. So brought into a ponytail, probably right at the middle of the bow bone. And then all I did, and I get this twist in here because I have the curls, so the curls are really going to help us out. Kind of do this. You kind of cut a little bun type of thing. Make sure I know where I want it to go. Then I'm going to secure it. We don't want to put bobby pins in our mouth, so let's do that. There. So what I'm securing is all the hair that's been twisted into the poof in the bun. And then we just separate it. Can you see how that goes? See that? And then I want to bring the top up a little more, so I just kind of grabbed it, brought it up, and I'm going to pin that to the top. So now I have the two buns. And then the sides, that's where I kind of came around. It's really important that we keep this flat, so it looks a little more uniform. Pin that in there. Same with this one. Bring it around, keeping it flat. Pinning it in there. So that's how we're going to do it. I'm thinking shouldn't take us very long to do that on 5 models. And that is Mindy's second look, the Indian bridal look.